Hey everyone, welcome to the channel ServiceNowShiv. We are in the second part of this session where we are using the Build Agent, the complete AI experience for ServiceNow. In first part, we already created one application for the parking reservation with the help of complete Build Agent. However, if you see that we already have application available Build Agent that we can see by going to the application like App in an studio. If you go, you will be you should be seeing that there is a already app available now that is nothing but a parking slot reservation, park slot, right? However, this park slot reservation app, you will not be able to navigate through menus, right? So we'll see that. So if you see the AES, we already have one app now. If I go to my apps, the park slot, it is already having all the table available, all the uh, data and all those, right? So this is the areas where app is listed. But if I want to reserve a parking slot now, or if I want to add a parking slot for my office, I do not have any option to do it from the menu, like park. If I see park also or any parking reservation, nothing is coming. What the reason, right? So if you see this, our app development, we just have developed one app, and as part of app we have a table available, field available, and the roles available. But to calculate anything into navigator, we should be having record in the menus, application menus. That is not being done until unless we say exclusively to the build agent to create menus for our app. They are not going to do it on itself. So that's a learning. You should be uh, giving the right prompt to create the menus also. That I already wrote a prompt for the this is the prompt I'm trying to use for the parking slot reservation app. I just create a generic classic application menu named parking, okay, and create two modules under it. One is for the all slots that should be pointing to parking slot table, and my reservation that should be pointing to reservation table, right? Filtered for the currently logged in user. This is the complete instruction I am giving to build agent so that it can create menus for me. But the new chat, when I create new chat, we have to give context that this chat I am trying in the context of Park Slot app only. So I have to give the uh, context. Now, if I hit this prompt, the build agent will utilize this prompt and send to AI, and also it will send the complete context of the Park Slot application so that AI will be able to make a call and will create the menus for it, right? So the first part we did create the complete application. Please go to first part if you have not gone through. And second part we are creating the menus on the app so that user can navigate to. Right? It failed. As I told you that do not worry about some failure in between because there will be chances that due to some naming structure or due to limit of the character it might fail. However, thinking is enabled enough to address it, right? So we are approving the plan whatever it has, and at the end of that the expectation is it should create the application menus and also the sum menus under it for me add the slot and also to add the reservation. So if you see this, it is being created now. But at the end of this, it has to build and install. Then only you will be able to uh, do the. So if you see that right, it again got some problem. If in navigation.ts, if you see, it has some compilation issue or as such. So they found it that okay, there is an issue. I need to fix two issues, mismatch for application, and it able to understand everything and try to reheal itself. And now the error is gone. It's pretty much right. If think about that, you are a normal ServiceNow user, you do not have all the experience of application development. It is very time taking to understand all the rules, regulations, and standard of ServiceNow, right? But everything is done automatically thinking enabled. You just have to click on approve the plan, and it will be able to do this, right? So see, it also saying metadata change detected for park slot where you have to do this. So it's already happening, right? It's installed, build is done, and now it is trying to install. Okay. So once installation is done, at that moment, if you refresh your menus, you will be seeing to those two menus are being created for you to reserve a parking slot and also to add the parking slot list into the office premises. So let's wait for few seconds because installation it takes time. But after the installation, I should be able to see those menu in my navigator option. Right? That's the expectation. So what you understood is the first part was to create complete app, and second part we're doing it. So if you just uh, cover this as a whole, you should be having all end-to-end app ready. And also after this, I want to enhance my app a bit by adding some rules, right? The first what I want is I want to create a business rule to the reservation table that prevent the user from booking a specific parking slot if another confirmed reservation already exists at the same date at same time. Very good rule I want to attach. Like if I'm an employee, I want to reserve a slot. I cannot reserve a second slot if already I'm having one slot for same date and same time. That is rule is must, right? So if I do not use the now assist build agent, I have to create a business rules. I have to write the script for all these. But no, I don't want to use that. I completely want to go away of writing a code. Everything should be done from the now assist, and that is the expectation. So once the build is complete, installation is complete, I will try to leverage this particular prompt to make sure that a business rule is also added for us to validate this thing, right? So that is the expectation. Do not ever try to code yourself. Let's utilize build agent as a whole. But yeah, as a trial version, you will have only 100 requests as a limit. So try to consume it properly. Not like in one day you see everything and you exhaust your limit. So yeah, installation is not a new request, so do not worry about that. Uh, the request is like only when the request is being sent to AI. If something is happening within the instance, that is not the counted request. All right, so let's wait for some time, or maybe I will pause for a second until the installation complete. I will come back. All right, the application is installed now, and once it is successful, you see the message. Application menu and modules have been successfully created. Right, the menu name that you see here, we have a navigation that is where the menus are being added in this one. Uh, right. So if you see this, it is showing that there is a menu called parking reservation. Okay, this is my application menu. So if I go to the parking reservation in my navigator, you should be able to see there is a navigator option there. If I type parking reservation in my navigator, for that, let me refresh this. Okay, so once the refreshment is complete, it will reload the module, and there, if I type park, it is not yet. Let me refresh the instance once. It takes some time for menu to reload. Right. So when the application is installation is complete and we have refreshed the page, also we just refresh the menus. You should be seeing the parking registration module available to you, right? So just try to refresh the menu and the page after your build agent is completed the installation part. So if I go to park, you see that there is a new menu being created called parking reservation. It has two part, all slots and my reservation, right? This is what we need, right? So if you see that all slot is something that where you can add the slot and imply will be able to request for the reservation slot. Let's suppose I'm adding a building A, slot number 101, and it will be in the basement. Available state slot type is the stand. So I just will add couple of slot so that employee can do it. So let's suppose as an admin, I am adding two slot, both are in building building A, and one in the basement itself, one will be the EB, one will be the standard. So I am just adding couple of slot, and now as an employee, I will try to register the slot for that. So my reservation is showing nothing. I will add one reservation for myself, uh, and once I click on new, a form will be available. Formally will be available where you can choose a slot. So if you see that this is auto generated, imply is automatically coming for the logged in user. However, slots are available will be coming for the table slots that we have, right? Just we did create two slots, 101, 102. So it's if I choose 101, right? And if I choose date, let's suppose 17th, uh, time is we can give it like 102, let's suppose 118. Right? Status is requested, click on submit. So I have one slot reserved. So if I can go to my reservation, you'll be able to see that okay, there is a slot reserved for you. And if you go to all slots, you have a two record available there, right? So that's particularly a complete parking slot reservation application we generated. However, we did not add any kind of validation where suppose if I'm a requester or I'm an employee, I want to reserve a slot, it should check that if you already having a slot for that particular day, that particular time, it should not allowing me to do this. However, we'll do all these as part of subsequent session by keeping the more and more rules to the application. But yeah, first part we did create application and then we observed that menus we had to add. And once we added menu, we also observed that okay, we can create the slot and we can also add the reservation. We'll make it the video short. We'll end it here so that you have complete app experience. Let's play with this, and then in a subsequent session, we'll keep on adding the. So one rule I told that same date, same time, it should not allow. Or if your slot is like you cannot have more than some certain number of slots for EB. So all those things you can keep on adding. But yeah, let's end the session here. If you are learning and getting some knowledge out of it, please hit subscribe and like so that I'll be encouraged to add more session on these. That's all for now. Thank you. Thank you all.